Hi, I'm Randy Wolken, President and CEO of MACNY and the Manufacturers Alliance of New York State. This is my COVID-19 update for Wednesday, May 6th. The governor today indicated at his press briefing that took place at the Norwell Health Facility, Long Island, with Michael J. Dowling, the CEO of Norwell Health. He was also, by the way, joined by Eric Schmidt, former CEO and Executive Chairman of Google and founder of Schmidt Futures. The total number of hospitalizations remained below 10,000, which is good news. Additionally, the number of new cases was down, with 601 cases on May 5th. There were a total of 232 COVID-19 related deaths on May 5th. Of those, 207 were hospital deaths and 25 in nursing homes. It's a slight increase from the day before. A total of 19,877 New Yorkers have passed away due to COVID-19. The governor's main focus today was on the number of new cases. The state has been working with hospitals to gather more specific information on new cases to develop a plan to decrease the number of hospitalizations. According to the data gathered so far, most of the people hospitalized were primarily located in downstate. Disproportionately, it's minorities, more men than women, and a higher percentage of comorbidities, which is those extenuating circumstances that often make this disease so difficult and dangerous. What's most surprising about the findings is that most people were at home, not taking public transportation, and not essential employees. This reaffirms how it's necessary to take precautionary measures to protect yourself, to wear a mask and to use hand sanitizer, and vulnerable populations should stay at home. What's noted, and we found this in our work too with our members, that the transmission is not occurring in safe workplaces where people are taking seriously both the challenge and the need to deal with this serious illness. The governor alerted that there is a hotspot in upstate New York now at an essential agricultural business located in Madison and Oneida counties. There are dozens of cases coming from employees. He reiterated that hotspots are not about meat or vegetable plants, but density in large gatherings. I'm glad he pointed this out. A well-designed workplace and space can be a very safe place in this community. And we've seen that in our members as they continue to do that day in and day out as essential businesses. Best practices are necessary. We can help you do that, as I've mentioned on our prior updates, and it's located on our website. If you're a business today, you should be thinking about how you're going to open safely. That's going to be the new criteria in the new economy, in the new normal. Opening and staying safe in this new environment. The governor announced that as a part of his Reimagined New York plan, the state will be working with the best minds to build back better. New York will be partnering with Michael Dowling from Norwell Health to lead the efforts for public health, the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation for Education, for Mayor Bloomberg to create testing and tracing systems. Eric Schmidt, former CEO of Google and founder of Schmidt Ventures, will serve as chair of a 15-member Blue Ribbon Commission on incorporating new technologies into our economy. This makes a lot of sense. We're going to need to use new technologies. We're going to need the smartest minds to help us rebuild back our economy and our communities. The governor believes the crisis presents a unique opportunity for us to learn and to better ourselves, that we end up with better transportation, social equity, better public safety, better housing, a better economy, better education, and better health care. This has been a very difficult crisis for everybody. But we need to know that we'll get through this and we'll build back a better economy, a better community. So I applaud the governor for asking us and challenging us to do that, because we need to do that. We need to use what we have available to us, the best minds and best opportunities to build back a better economy and better communities despite this tragic coronavirus epidemic. The governor recognized National Nurses Day today and thanked all the nurses for being heroes and showing up. I also want to add my thanks to nurses. My wife is a pediatrician, Every day she goes to work on the front lines, and I'm grateful for what she does. As a thank you to medical professionals and nurses, JetBlue will be donating a pair of round-trip flights to 10,000 New York medical professionals. The governor urged New Yorkers to vote by absentee ballot in light of the court decision yesterday to proceed with New York presidential primaries due to the court decision. So it's important that people, if they're interested in voting, do it by absentee ballot. The governor issued the following directives through June 4th. This has to do with Executive Order 202.27, which would allow medical professionals without a current New York license, including those licensed out of state and in Canada, the ability to continue to provide necessary services related to New York's COVID-19 response. The New York City Executive Order 111 also has been issued. If you're interested in that, it's on our website. You'll find it in our updates. There is some additional guidance from New York State Education Department on the Secretary Perkins 5 local applications response. New York State Insurance Fund has help for policy holders if you're interested in that or a member of the New York State Insurance Fund. Empire State Development has not made any changes to their guidance. New York City has made some additions to agency suspensions and reductions. You'll find the rest of these updates posted in our COVID-19 page on our website, which is one of the most comprehensive sources you'll find anywhere related to these efforts going on. There's an update as well on our website around PPP. The SBA continues to issue guidance and insight there, so you can find that on our website. And of course, you can reach out to us. We actually have a chat function now on our website. You can chat with a member of our team live in real time. We've been trying that for a little over 2 weeks now. It's getting a lot of use, so please use it if you want to chat with one of our members of our team. Obviously, you can still email us and call us. We're working full-time from home, and we're working hard to help reopen manufacturing. If we stay on track, Central New York will be one of the first regions to reopen in manufacturing for those who can do it safely. 15th of this month, as well as construction, essential construction and beyond. There's an opportunity to reopen construction jobs. And we think this is just phase one. It has to be just phase one, but we need to do it well. So we want to help you do that. If you have any concerns or issues or desires for our help, please reach out to us. We want to help you. We're here to help you and serve you in the broader community. That's my update for today. We're here for you. And as always, be calm, stay safe, and carry on. Have a nice evening.